Today we're in Gdansk, one of my favorite cities to visit. Over 1,000 years in history, beautiful streets, restored buildings, absolutely amazing. Last time we were here, we were at night, messing around at the merry-go-round and the Gdansk sign, took some awesome photos. Today we're here to have a proper walk around and explore, and Lumi's gonna do some... What are you gonna do?
Shooting guns.
Are you excited about that?
I just, what? No, I am.
I rang a place, Subiekt Gdansk. This is the place I always come to. They take care of me really well. Link below. They're awesome, and they let us have a lot of fun with guns. And Lumi's now 15, which means she can shoot some guns. Pew pew! What are you looking forward to the most?
The AK-47.
AK-47. All right, let's go and explore Gdansk. We're a bit peckish, so I'm gonna take Lumi to her first bar mleczny, which is called Milk Bar. These are very famous. I've made a vlog about it before, up here. Very good, delicious Polish food at a reasonable price. This cost us 30 bucks. Pork knuckle, quad meat, chicken cutlet and salads. Love Poland. Love bar mleczny. Every time I'm in Gdansk, I'm overwhelmed because it's so beautiful here. But a lot of people just look straight ahead and look at the big church and everything like that. Don't do that. Look at the buildings, look at the sides, the intricate shapes and paintings that they've restored here, like that one there. There's a lot of intricate art, sculptures, all those sort of things all over Gdansk, all over every city in Poland. They have this center, Rynek, which is a marketplace, filled with restaurants, but very expensive. Cross 2 streets over, and it's half the price. So, but you are paying for the view, so it is worth it. So that was a really quick tour of Gdansk. I've done plenty of vlogs here, so look through my channel if you want to see a more detailed vlog of Gdansk. But now we're off to the gun range, so that's going to be on the next vlog. So make sure you subscribe, like and share so you can see it on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you soon.